Hello YouTuber, today I'm going to do an unboxing video of a drone. It is an SJRC F11 Pro 4K GPS drone. I bought it after watching some reviews on YouTube. This drone is basically a rival to DJI. Like usual, I bought it from Shopee for about Ringgit Malaysia 800, which is approximately US dollar 200. I bought this drone with additional 1 battery. The specification says that 1 battery should last about 23 minutes of flight. Alright, let's watch the unboxing video. It comes with a carrying case or box.